So you guys are probably wondering why schools are investing more and more in renewable energy. The answer is pretty simple. There's great incentives by the government, it gives them lead credits, and most importantly, it allows it to take control of their FP&L bill, at least for a portion, the utility bill of that. You're really going to see different kind of systems. This one specifically at Henry S. Reeves Elementary School, it's an SMA system, which is a string inverter system. What's great about it is it allows you to actually do what it does best, which is actual production of solar, right? So it's a workhorse, it's going to do its job and not only provide shade for the students in this case, but it's also going to use technologies of the string inverter system like SMA to be able to provide power. We do different kind of services, including obviously ground mount systems. We do solar shelters, we do rooftop systems, EV charging. We're actually very specialized when it comes down to battery storage system. So we participate both on the residential and the commercial level. This is one of these projects that allows us to actually expand on our area of expertise. So what makes PayOli perfect for a project like this? Why are we the perfect partner? We have a vast amount of experience when it comes down to actual coordination with general contractors, entities, and also most importantly, running the right numbers, calculations, and design to make sure that the design is going to meet your expectations.